Hi guys, so just an update after changing the tires. With a closer inspection, they actually found out that the other two back tires are not in good shape. That might need to be changed as well. We need to wait for fundings for that. Okay, so you might be wondering how much does it cost to change the two front tires with the Michelin PS4. So here is the bill. So with labor, wheel alignment, balancing, everything, so the total is about 1,145 ringgit. Quite steep for tire changing. Okay guys, do check out my other video of what are the problems that I'm facing with a MK6 Golf GTI, and feel free to subscribe and like or dislike the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, just give it a thumbs down. Please subscribe guys, it will be very helpful for the channel to grow. I'll keep you guys updated. Do check out my other videos for the other problems that I'm facing currently. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.